Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to analyze USD JPY. What will happen? There's a US dollar, there's a JPY Japanese yen. How to trade with USD JPY? That's I'm in daily chart USD JPY. You can see I already draw the yellow color line. That's the your sell opportunity line. This candle was going to the continuing downside and break to the upside. That's the technical picture. You have a sell opportunity. Now I am in the line chart. I would like to show you is the famous technical pattern that is called Quasimodo pattern. That was created higher high and also created low low as well. That was the higher high low low. That's the Quasimodo pattern, and the yellow color line is the Quasimodo level. QM cell level is there. Now I am moved to the candlestick chart as well. That's the technical picture. So USD JPY pair, what will going on? Now I am moved to the economic data. What is the going on? That's the technically saying USD JPY. Now I am moved to the Forex live. So BOG debt government nominee forecast Japan CPI below 2% in the middle of the financial year 2023. Now Japanese inflation is the 3%, 3% above continuing. Now this is the not a hawkish tone. That's the BOJ Bank of Japan. Japanese central bank will expect will drop CPI data for 2% like that. That's the BOJ is still now in the negative interest rates policy. I am in now global interest rates, and I move to the Central Bank of Japan. Bank of Japan is since 2016 is still in the minus interest rates. That's the negative interest rates. So they will not have hawkish tone to get the positive interest rates and not change monetary policy as well. That's the Japanese yen is still continuing depreciation, not get the demand as well against the US dollar. That's the most of traders, most of investors forecasting JPY will get the positive interest rate policy, will get the positive interest rate like 0% or 0.10, 0.25 like that. But the monetary policy is still not changing, is still in negative interest rates policy. That's the Japanese yen will not get the demand as well. So like US dollar is aggressive interest rates now 4.75. So that's the JPY basically economic data. They will not have demand, still they will not have hawkish tone Bank of Japan. So that's JPY not get demand. That's the reasons for USD JPY will continue uptrend buy trend as well. So hopes this is the technical picture. USD JPY continues to 138 level and retracement to below and continue to high. So you have a buy opportunity. USD JPY is a long term. My so next target is 139 is above level is my next USD JPY buy chance. That's the long term. You have a buy opportunity in USD JPY. That retracement will continue and again go to the upside above 140 level is my next chance, next opportunities. That's the USD JPY. It will have buy opportunity is a long terms. Remember, there's a QM level with technically analysis to drop to below and continue to the upsides. That's the opportunity in USD JPY. Do your own analysis as well and do money management as well. Get the trade from the smaller time frames confirmations as well. So do trade, get the profit. Thank you very much.